Hello, everyone. Now, you must have seen the thumbnail, and before my CMA Inter students start questioning me, let me tell you that the important topics for you too will be up soon. Just stay tuned and be a little patient. This video is relevant for all my CMA finalists who are going to appear for their exams in coming December 25, right? Now, most of you have been asking me, ma'am, what to study, क्या पढ़ें, कैसे क्या होगा? My answer is and will always be study everything. In fact, as a finalist and soon to be professional, study even beyond the textbooks. That is what is needed and that is what is expected from you. But when the biggest constraint, time, hits, it hits hard, right? And now we don't have time. So we need to choose what to study first. So here I am, your mentor Shivanki Agrawal, to guide you in two broad ways. Which chapter to revise first and which topics to be prioritized and not to be missed at all. जिसको आप ABC analysis या important topics कुछ भी कह सकते हो, right? Okay. Now, यहाँ पे आपको एक लिस्ट दिख रही होगी जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें दी हुई हैं. We have important topics for December 25 exams which are chapter wise written over here, and thereafter you will see all the chapters. The important topics are there, and then you will also see there is a study planner of 60 hours, right? So it is roughly 57 or 56 hours because 3-4 hours are grace. Any student who could not cover that much revision in that hours can use some extras, right? तो ये क्या है? Preferable sequence of chapter revision है. And when you are revising a particular chapter, let's say you started with SEBI regulations revision at the beginning. So when you're revising SEBI regulation, it is important that you cover these SEBI laws important topics, that is book building, eligibility of issuer, obligations, restrictions and insiders, open offer process, etc., right? So what are the important topics that must be covered, and thereafter you revise the remaining things? That is what this video is intended to tell you. Ma'am, if I study only these topics, right, all the important topics that you have told, I will study all this, will I pass? Well, if you study these the way they are intended to and write the provisions correctly, mentioning all the points as they're expected, you will have very bright chances of clearing your exams. Having said that, I have neither set the paper nor I have any idea as to what will come in exams. Okay, to be very honest, right? This is a very thoughtful and detailed analysis which I've done for hours, and then I am presenting this to you to help you in your smart preparation at the last minute, because I understand there are many students who are struggling and juggling with time. So I don't want them to lose hope. I want them to do a smart preparation and prioritize certain topics and study well. You still have very bright chances and you can still be hopeful to clear your exams in December 25. Okay, so use this responsibly and try to cover the entire syllabus, but prioritize this. Okay, thank you everyone. Wish you all the best.